There's wonder on this winding road in front of me, yeah. 'Cause I'm right where I'm supposed to be. And I feel the magic everywhere. It's all around us, it's in the air. And I see the magic.
Hey folks, it's Ryan over at Bell Camper Sales. Hey, I want to show you guys this 2023 Rockwood 2606 Ultra Lite. Let's check this baby out. All right, your 2606 WS Rockwood is going to have two 30-pound propane bottles up front. You're going to have a power tongue jack. There you've got a dual battery box, so if you want to put two batteries in there, you certainly can. We've got it already set up. We're going to give you one battery as part of the deal. Nice big pass-through storage there. This baby's got frameless windows with it. You see the big power awning with the LED lights underneath it. Marine-grade outdoor speakers. We've also got a tire pressure monitoring system in our tires there. Those are the Goodyear Endurance tires. Equipped with solid steps, got a dual shock absorber on that set of steps, so when you lift them up into that doorway, no weight to them at all. Around the back here, we've got full-size spare with a hard cover. Spot there in that rear bumper to put your sewage hose. Up top, you're pre-wired for a backup camera, and you got a ladder to access the roof, full walkable roof there. Let's go inside and see what we got in there. All right, entering into the coach here, you go right into the living room kitchen area. You've noticed you've got your theater seating there that's got lumbar support in it. A nice booth dinette that breaks down to a sleeping spot as well. I want to back up just a little bit here. When we come in that door, it's got a nice big storage pantry right there inside the door. You see your digital, or not digital, but your control pad there. Notice that this has also got a Wi-Fi booster on it as well, already equipped with it. Tank heaters, a lot of extra with this here. You've noticed already got your TV mounted. You've got a fireplace in this. This has got your 12-volt refrigerator. In the very back of the camper is where your bathroom is. Nice big shower, porcelain toilet, some storage, medicine cabinet. Equipped also with a max air vent fan in the ceiling. This one's already got your 200-watt solar panel on it as well. 1,000-watt inverter with this unit. In the very front is where your bedroom is. You've got an additional little tabletop there that will go right there to give you a little more counter space. On your bed there where your little nightstands are, you've got 110 plug-ins, USB plug-ins. Those are on the inverted outlet, so if you lose power overnight, those will still keep power as long as you got battery power. This one has the wardrobe slide to it as well. All real wood cabinets with these. Your bed's framed in aluminum as well, aluminum tubing. And then when you get inside, that's where your TV backer location is to put your TV. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it. That's the 2023 Rockwood 2606 WS. You can see all these here at our dealership in Bartlesville. Come on down to Bell Camper Sales. My name's Ryan. Love to get you camping.